Today, me and my boy Chris are going to be showing y'all a bike check on my bike and his work in progress bike. Alright, let's get to it. Today I've been running a We the People Zodiac frame that I've put through hell and back. I'm running specialized pedals. To me, specialized pedals are some of the best pedals because they spin really good. They're really light. My 3-piece cranks, I'm running nitrous 3-piece cranks. Okay, we're gonna move to the back end. My peg, it's a stolen peg I am running a nitrous hub or nitrous rim with a United RN1 back tire. Then I am running a old ass We the People pivotal seat with a stolen thermal light pivotal seat post. And then front, sorry, my bearings are dry. I'm running a Maxxis ringworm front tire that, as you can see, has no tread. I've put that damn thing through hell and back. I've got a specialized front hub, as you can see the S right there, and also on both my hubs they are 14mm rods. On my back I'm running the Shadow Conspiracy bolts. Alright, Chris. My handlebars, I'm running stolen cell bars. I think they're 8.25 rise, 26-inch width. I'm running Odyssey Griswold grips. I'm running a GT mini stem front load with a integrated. It's integrated. And then my forks, I'm running Eastern forks with, I've got stickers all over my bike. And then my front peg, it's a demolition peg that it's just, I'm about to order another stolen peg. But my other side, my chain wheel, I'm running the Eastern Medusa chain wheel with just a Walmart chain. I busted my Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, and yeah. But today, also, Chris, tell us about your bike.
I'm running a horror frame, custom painted myself, and it's a work in progress. I got a horror seat clamp.
Tell us about the faded paint.
Like this paint job was not planned. Like I legitimately put too much. I put too much clear coat on, and when I did, it kind of faded the paint a little. And it's more gray up here, and it gets darker down the way. And it gets go back to jet black. Over here, I got some horror pedals. I got these off my friend Michael. The crank arm I really don't know because I painted over it.
I believe your crank arms are horror also.
Yeah, I think so. And then a sprocket. I'm going to repaint the whole thing because I did not like this design I did. Trying to experiment, and it went wrong. But
what kind of chain wheel is it?
I think it's it ain't Shadow Conspiracy, but I don't really remember, actually.
Alright.
I got this off Paul.
Alright.
And then I got the Mongo seat over here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take care of that.
We're gonna take care of this. This is gonna be a temporary thing right here till I can get another one. And I honestly do not know what this.
It's a pivotal.
Yeah, it's a pivotal.
It's a mountain bike pivotal, though. It came off of a
Callan or something like that.
no, it came off of a Gary Fisher mountain bike. But yeah, today that's my bike with a that's my baby. I love that thing so much. And this is Chris's work in progress. We're gonna get that going good for him. Alright, Michael, Chris, and that's all we have for you today.